I'm thrilled to be part of an organization with 4 decades of unwavering commitment to our students. We're not just connecting communities, we're creating pathways for all students.
I wonder who we'll find along the route today. There's Dr. Smith.
Welcome to the LT Magic School Bus. Dr. Smith, share with me your thoughts on the partnership between the Lawrence Township School Foundation and the district.
40 years of excellence. Wow. The people that founded this foundation had a tremendous vision, a great vision of excellence. We do great things every day, but we need just a little bit more to do more for our students and our community. I call it the icing on the cake.
Well, hello, Dave.
Dave, tell me why you support the Lawrence Township School Foundation.
There are so many reasons. I mean, for teachers, we have lots of ideas and we want to get the kids excited about learning, but we don't always have the funds. And that is where the foundation comes in.
Welcome aboard, Mary.
Because of the grant, we are able to give incentives for our students in support of the Kindness Initiative. They're just being helpful and kind. I mean, it goes throughout the whole building, and some of the parents have even said they're doing things at home and in the community. It is really snowballing. It's something great.
I love that.
Welcome aboard, Jenny.
Through this Student Foundation experience, it's an honor to see these kids go through that journey of learning about philanthropy. At the end of the year, we sit the kids down and we look at all of the money that they've raised through their fundraising efforts, and they choose where to allocate those funds.
The money has been used so well because it gets spread across all the schools, all the kids, all these different programs that are going on, from the impact grants to the VEX robotics to all the things that are happening, the legacy field trips.
The school foundation does a lot for our families. In times of crisis, we're there to help support, offer different home goods if that's the situation. And then in times of joy, we offer the programs like the running club, do a lot to support STEM.
And you're an up and running coach, right?
That is correct.
Yeah.
I am an up and running coach. It's one of my favorite things.
We are very blessed to have our educational foundation as a partner in excellence. The little bit extra that we're doing will provide opportunities for students who would never have had the opportunities that this school corporation has been able to provide.
That impact is really great.
I would like to give a huge shout out to the donors. My hope is that those donations increase yearly because it's really making a huge impact.
Well, first of all, thank you.
To all the fellow donors.
To all the donors. As a donor, I want my dollar to stretch as far as it can. And I've always felt like the foundation does a really good job at doing that.
Community members need to know that when they make a donation to the foundation, they're really just opening up the possibilities for teachers to be able to be very creative. When people step up to the plate and donate money, they're enhancing the educational experience for all kids in Lawrence Township.
That is certainly our goal, and we would love for that to grow. Our journey persists, driven by a vision of growth, expanding opportunities for every student in Lawrence Township. Your generosity fuels our mission, propelling us towards a brighter tomorrow and a brighter future. Join us in our ongoing pursuit to do more and be more for our students, because there are no limits when we work together.